defensive header from Chelsea. He's there to win it back though. There's a good shout for a handball in as well for it.
Fernando Torres
In. This could be the most dramatic story of the season. It's Torres to give Chelsea a place in the Champions League final. The headline has been written.
Unbelievable! Unbelievable! I said the last 18 months have just been forgotten in 2 seconds. And look at those Chelsea players, the bench, the manager, they're all on the pitch, they're jumping around like mad. It's gone absolutely wild.
£50 million has just been repaid by Fernando Torres, scorer of the goal that will send Chelsea Football Club to Munich on the 19th of May.
He just shows the composure, takes it around Valdez, looks behind him. This is what Torres can do at his best. Skips the challenge, and what a huge, huge moment for Chelsea. For English football, they deserve it.